Hi, welcome once again to Stars and Beauty channel. So today we'll be looking at my results from my 14 days rice water challenge. Stay tuned. So if you don't know, I embarked on a rice water challenge for 7 days at first, then I extended it to 14 days on my Instagram page as Stars and Beauty. So I liked the results I got for my 7 days rice water challenge. So you can go to check the results for my 7 days rice water challenge in the previous video that I did. So let's move on to checking my results for today's one, which is the 14 days rice water challenge. The challenge is all about spraying rice water on my hair every single day. That's applying it, and I sealed it with oil. In another video, that's in the video after this one, I'll show you how to prepare rice water and how to apply it on your hair. So the last 7 days, that's the extended 14 days, I changed the method I used in, like, when I applied the rice water, I didn't apply it in sections, rather my hair was braided like cornrows, and I just kept spraying the water on it. But I noticed that I think it's better to do it in sections than to spray it. So let's go on to check the results of my challenge. I'm very nervous. Overall, my hair looks good. I did the hair rinse yesterday with the rice water, and I liked how soft my hair became after I did it. My hair looks a bit more healthy than before, but the shedding kind of it didn't reduce like the former one. As I said, that the where I applied it in the first 7 days is better than I applied it in this last 7 days. But the shedding, it reduced the shedding. So let's go on to check the length, and you should know that the shedding I'm talking about is postpartum shedding. And you can see my edges here. I think it also helps with my edges as well.
I will praise and lift you higher in the morning and the noon time. Hey, as the people will rejoice. I will rise all the ways and daga ubangiji and daga soon and so all the way. And daga soon and so all the way. I will praise and lift you higher in the morning and the noon time. As the people will rejoice.
Okay, so we're done. I hope I grew hair. So after I'll tell you if I did it grow. So yes, rice water works. I know this last 7 days did not work as well as the previous 7 days. So I'll tell you that I'll advise you to apply it directly to your head and to your cornrows, and that's all. So wait for me in my next video. I'll tell you how I did it, and you can try it and see whether it works for you. Let me know, comment below if it did. So stay tuned for more videos. Bye.